Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to easily remove a green screen from your video using Canva. Whether you're working on a fun project, a professional presentation, or you just want to spice up your content, you'll learn how to swap out that green background behind your subject and replace it with something much more interesting. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create videos that look polished and dynamic, all with just a few clicks in Canva. Let's jump right in. Okay, starting off, go ahead and open up Canva. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, look for the purple Create a Design button up at the top right, give that a click. This will open up a list of options. For this project, we're working with video, so make sure you select the video option. What this does is set up your workspace with the right dimensions and tools optimized for video editing. It's a small step, but it gets you on the right track from the get-go. Now, after your video project opens, look over on the left side of your screen for the Elements tab. Think of this as your toolbox. It's where Canva keeps all the graphics, videos, and fun additions you might want to use in your project. Give Elements a click, and then head up to the search bar right at the top. Here, type in green screen video. Canva's library is packed with all sorts of video clips, including plenty with solid green backgrounds. This is perfect for practicing or even for quick, flashy edits. Browse around until you find one you like, and then just drag it onto your timeline or canvas. If you have your own green screen footage, just upload and add it instead. The process is exactly the same. Alright, now that your green screen video is on the canvas, click to select it. You'll see some options along the top banner, and here, where the magic happens, find the Edit Video button. Depending on your screen, it may just be called Edit. Click that, and then look for the Background Remover option. This tool automatically detects that bright green in your video and wipes it out, so whatever was behind your subject is now transparent. It might take a moment or two for Canva to process this, especially if the video is a bit longer or your internet connection is slow. Don't worry if it seems to be chugging along, it's just doing its thing behind the scenes. Once Canva has removed the green, you'll see that the subject is now floating against a blank, checkered background. This means you're ready to add in something new. This is where you get creative. Head back over to the Elements tab and this time type background into the search bar. You'll see a whole range of options pop up. Everything from solid colors to abstract designs, cityscapes, and natural scenes. Drag any background you like onto your project and resize or position it behind your video subject. If you want, you can even layer in multiple backgrounds, add text, or adjust the filters for a completely unique look. And there you have it, a super simple way to remove a green screen in Canva and totally transform your video's background. If any step feels confusing, or if you run into a snag, just pause and rewind the video, or drop a question in the comments below and I'll help you out. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment if you have requests for more Canva tricks, and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.